Hi Perch viewers, it's Erica Hosking and we are here with Zach from Twin Eagles. You may recognize him from some previous videos. Thanks for being here, Zach.
Absolutely, thanks for having me.
And we are here to talk about these two beautiful products behind us, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, we've got our 36-inch grill and our 30-inch teppanyaki griddle.
Teppanyaki griddle, okay, that's a little intimidating.
It is.
What do you make on a teppanyaki griddle outside of pancakes?
You could make everything. You could do tacos, you could do burgers, all kinds of stuff. It's really a super versatile product that accents and complements the grill extremely well.
Okay, so I just went from needing a grill to needing a griddle as well. Thanks a lot. Now, we also have this gorgeous display, color palette is so in this season. I see that Twin Eagles does a beautiful job highlighting these colors behind us with these chrome accents. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
It does, yeah. That's the nice thing that color trend is actually doing for our product, is when you bring color into the island and into the background, it allows that stainless steel to really pop and shine. And one thing that we pride ourselves on at Twin Eagles is throughout the product, we're just using 304 stainless steel. A stainless steel that's really corrosion resistant, easy to clean and maintain, keeps a nice bright shine to it.
So craftsmanship, and it adds to this beautiful aesthetic we see behind us,
Yes,
correct?
absolutely.
Wonderful. Well, Zach, thank you so much for being here. And let me say, lavender is your color.
Thank you.
If you want to learn more and experience these beautiful products for yourself, please go to PIRCH.com to visit a showroom near you.